wonderful viewers, welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve question 10 of WASSCE 2022 elective maths. The first part, express 3x squared plus 7x plus 28 over x cubed plus x squared plus 7x in partial fraction. Then the second one, if 6x squared minus 5y squared plus 3xy minus x is equal to 11. We have to find dy dx at the point minus 1, 3. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, so looking at the first part, we need to factorize the denominator. We have x cubed plus x squared plus 7x, so x is common. So 3x squared plus 7x plus 28 over x cubed plus x squared plus 7x. This can be written as 3x squared plus 7x plus 28 over, we can bring 1x out so that we have x squared plus x plus 7. Now looking at this partial fraction, this is quadratic expression, and of course it's irreducible, and then this is a linear factor. So we are going to write partial fraction for this one. So let 3x squared plus 7x plus 28 over x times x squared plus x plus 7 equivalent to. So we write partial fraction for linear. For linear, we have only one constant, so a over x plus, and this is irreducible quadratic expression. So we have two constants, so bx plus c over x squared plus x plus 7. So the next, so we have to find the constants a, b, and c. Okay, so to do that, let's multiply through by the LCM. Now when we do that, we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 28. This will be equivalent to, here will be a times x squared plus x plus 7 plus, this will be bx plus c times x. Let's simplify the right hand side. Now there are two ways, so we want to expand the right hand side. We have 3x squared plus 7x plus 28. This is equal to, so ax squared plus ax plus 7a plus, then x times this, we have bx squared, x times c, we have cx. So we need to group the like terms. We put all the x squared on one side, all the x in, so that we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 28. This is equal to, so ax squared plus bx squared, that is x squared, and then we have the x's ax plus cx plus the constant term, which is 7a, and this is the same as a plus b x squared plus a plus c x plus 7. So the left hand side too is 3x squared plus 7x plus 28. So what we are going to do is to compare term by term. So we compare a term in x squared, and then we compare a term in x, and then we compare the constant terms. So from the look of things, the constant term, comparing both sides, so we can say that 7a is equal to 28. Then we divide both sides by 7, so we have a is equal to 4. Then let's come to a term in x. So a plus c, the coefficient will be equal to 7, but a is 4, so this implies that 4 plus c is equal to 7. C will be 7 minus 4, which is 3. And then the last one, a term in b x squared. A plus b is equal to 3. This implies that 4 plus is equal to 3, so b will be 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So we now have all our values, the values for the constant. So we need to put them back. So we said that 3x squared plus 7x plus 28 over x times x squared plus 7x plus 7 equal to, that is a over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus x plus 7. We know the values. The values are a is 4, so 4 over x plus b is minus 1, so minus x plus c is 3 over x squared plus x plus 7. So when we simplify further, we have 4 over x plus 3 minus x over x squared plus x plus 7. So that is the first part. Let's look at the second part. So 6x squared. So the curve is 6x squared minus 5y plus 3xy minus x is equal to 11. So to find dy dx, this is implicit function. So this implies that when you differentiate this one, we are going to get 12x this term, and this is y squared. So this is going to be minus 10y, then you bring your dy dx plus. And because this is a product, we will treat this one, we use product rule. So 3, we differentiate this one and then keep this. When we differentiate x is 1, then we keep y plus. We are going to differentiate y and keep x, so we are keeping x. When we differentiate y, dy dx, and then when we differentiate x, that will be minus 1, which is equal to 0. So what we are going to do is to simplify and make dy dx the subject. So this implies that 12x minus 10y, here there is y here, dy dx plus, we are expanding, have 3y plus 3x dy dx, and then let's send this one to the right hand side, is equal to 1. So we have 3x dy dx minus 10y dy dx. So we are sending the constant to this side. So 1 minus 3y and then minus 12x. So let's factorize dy dx. So dy dx out, when you do that, it will be 3x minus 10, which is equal to 1 minus 3y minus 12x. So now dy dx, 1 minus 3y minus 12x over 3x minus 10y. So at the point minus 1, 3, which means that x should be minus 1, y should be 3. So dy dx, the gradient will be 1 minus 3 times 3 minus 12 times minus 1 over minus 10 times 3. So this will be equal to 1 minus 9 plus 12 over times minus 1 minus 3, and then this one will be 30. So that we have 1 minus 9 is minus 8, minus 8 plus 12 is 4 over minus 3 minus 30, that is minus 33. Yes, so that is our answer. Now let's see how the scoring was done. Let's go back and see how the scoring was. So let's see, and being able to write the partial fraction, the candidate will get P1. Being able to equate the numerator to this, so get 1 M1. Yes. Now let's go back to finding the constant. We have M1, then A14 A is equal to 1, and then A14 B is equal to minus 1. Then you get A14 B C is equal to 3. This is A mark. Yes. So coming back, being able to write the partial fraction in a simplified form, the candidate will get another 1 mark. Now let's go back to the second part. Now finding the implicit function, that will be is M1, and then correct differentiation, you get A1. Finding the gradient, you get 1, yes, M1, and then the gradient, the final graded function, you get A1. Now we were asked to find the gradient at the point -3, so M1 for substitution, then the final answer A1. That's correct answer. In all, you are going to get 13 marks. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I know at this time my viewers in Ghana, you are about to write WASSCE, and this will be one of the preparation questions for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.